In today's video we learn how to order using QR in Dine-In. First click on Generate QR menu. Then click on Dine-In tab. Select any table by click on QR icon. Then scan the barcode using mobile. Mobile app open after scan. In the login screen enter your name and mobile no, click on Let's Go button to log in. Let's add some products. After click on Add button product that you want to add in the cart list. And then click on Checkout button to complete the order. Your order will show in POS. Click on View to see order list. Click on Accept order. In mobile app message received that order has been accepted. In POS after accepting order caught screen visible. Click on Accept button. After click on Ready to serve. And then served. As you can see message show served in mobile app. For payment simply click on Proceed. And then make payment.